Here's another SOG knife. I'm going to do this, guys. When you run it through there, the rods are made to squeeze back so they pick up on the original edge. Takes the original bevel back as sharp as it can be. Takes very little steel off. Nice. You'll get it razor sharp quick, real quick. Here you go. Tell us what you think.
Very nice.
SOG knife, half serrated. Take the serrated part, you roll it in the middle. Will not hurt them at all. I've done every style possible. It makes it vibrate, shatters through the teeth, top to bottom. No metal at all comes off. Doesn't round the teeth down. All the way through the entire tooth, razor sharp. Now on the smooth edge up front, you squeeze it in there nice and tight, bring the back of the knife up. Our rods are made to squeeze back so they pick up on the original edge. Puts the original bevel back in any style blade. You buy good expensive knives, you want to keep the metal on the blade and keep it original. Quick and simple. Use leather when you're done. That polishes, takes that edge up a little bit more. You should be able to shave your arm with it now. You feel it? What do you think?
Bare spot.
There you go. Feel them teeth.
Awesome.
That's unreal with the teeth, huh?
That's a damn good job. It was a damn good job. I thought it was good before. How much are those?
I do them 20 each, 2 for $30.